Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your April 2021 Flavors of the Month add-on kits. So we have 3 add-ons that you can purchase to go along with your Flavors of the Month. We have extra cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You can add 1, 2, or all 3 of them. Also, you can pick up the Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month as well. And it has patterned paper and embellishments in it all together. So this is a great way to have your kits go even further. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons to see everything that you can get. We'll look at the cardstock add-on first. For the cardstock, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. You can see here how well they coordinate with the patterned papers. Rochelle does an awesome job. So first up, from Cartabella Flower Garden, you'll receive 1 sheet of Bubbles and 2 sheets of Spring Breeze. For the Little Boys Have Big Adventures from Photoplay paper, you have a sheet of Mustard and 2 sheets of Evergreen. For the Pink Fresh Keeping It Real, you have 1 sheet of Romance and 2 sheets of Lemon. And for Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Cottage Fields, you have a sheet of Ocean Oasis and 2 sheets of Rosebud. Perfect to do backgrounds for extra layouts. You can also mat your photos. You can do some die cutting with your dies or your digital die cutters. Just lots of options there. Our next add-on we're going to look at is the patterned paper. So this, of course, is my favorite. For the patterned paper add-on, you'll receive 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not duplicates of anything you'll receive in your Flavors of the Month. They're additional patterned papers. So it's perfect for all you pattern paper lovers out there. So from Cartabella Flower Garden, we have this one that has the beautiful little pink roses and the blue flowers. The back is this turquoise print with a grid design going through it. This paper is called Bloom and Grow. We have the rain boots full of beautiful flowers. The back is a black and white brush stroked pattern. This one is called Rain Boots. For Little Boys Have Big Adventures, we have this one with all of the dump trucks, the bulldozers, we have mountains of dirt, the cones, a crane, just anything boys love. This paper is called Boys Love Trucks. The back is a red print, and it has a little bit of a pattern to it. It's a tone on tone, kind of a hashtag look. Then we have the diagonal stripe in all the different colors. This one's called You're a Star, and the back is a star print with just a circle of color over some of them. Keeping It Real from Pink Fresh, we have this one called Tiny Victories, which is florals and butterflies on a pink background. The back is a diagonal pink stripe. This one called Real Life has these tags with arrows and florals on the gray background. And then the back is a turquoise chevron print. From Simple Stories and the Simple Vintage Cottage Fields, we have this paper that has text over here, some watercolored pink and floral on top. So these are just kind of mixed media backgrounds done for you. The back are text butterflies cut out, and it's on top of a blue grid background. And then again, just kind of a watercolor distressed look over the top of it. This one's called Dream More. Then we have this paper called the 2x2 Elements, which I love these. You can cut all of these apart, tuck in, make a grid design, use a strip, on your layouts. They're perfect because they have words for you can use as part of your titles, as well as embellishments. You can also use them to back die cuts just so that you have different colors of pattern paper in the back. But these are a lot of fun because you get just a big old sampling of all different patterns and prints in the collection. The back is this beautiful floral with the butterflies on top of a pink text paper or background. So one more look at your patterned paper. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on, which I always love these too. From Cartabella, the Flower Garden, you're going to get the chipboard frames. So these have multiple frames. We have all of these shapes inside of here that will punch out, and then we have this floral frame, another phrase, and then this frame out here. Same thing down here. So you get a lot of product in here. Doesn't say how many, but they're all stacked up in there, so you get a lot of bang for your buck. From Photoplay Paper, the little boys have big adventures. You're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a banner down here. We have the numbers 0 through 10, or 1 through 10, sorry. And then those cute little critters, again, the dinosaurs and the alligators and the dogs. And this little banner up here, some frames. All of these are separate frames that you can peel off. These large words to build on your titles. And this phrase here that I pointed out in the Flavors of the Month kit, I love this for a title: Nap, Build, Destroy, Repeat. I have several photos of my little boy that would work perfectly for. From Pink Fresh, Keeping It Real, you're going to get a sticker sheet. So this will vary. You'll get one or the other, but it has lots of labels, words, phrases. And then from Simple Stories, this is something new that they're doing. And these are called page pieces. So it's everything you need to create a page. And I'm going to pull it out, but I'm going to show you this on the back. So this is everything that's inside of here. You can use it any way you want, or you can follow their example to create a page. So this features another one of their products that are new, but you could simply just put your photos on there and follow along with the embellishments. Or of course, like I said, you can do your own thing, but I'm going to show you lots of hearts. I won't try to pull those out. Florals, you get a large word to use for a title. You get different sizes of embellishments to do your clusters, and then word labels. So this is really a fun new product for Simple Stories. Another one that's already clustered for you. Flowers and lots of little hearts. So that was from Simple Stories. So one more look at your 3 add-on kits. Be sure to check out the videos here for the full Flavors of the Month kit, as well as the Shots of Life. And then join us over on the Facebook group for the challenges and to see what the design teams created with their kits. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.